Hi guys, we're in NANYUKI. We're here to do an installation. So this is a powerhouse. In here we have a day inverter, 12 kilowatt. It's a 3-phase inverter because you're also heating the pool. We have two 5 kilowatt hour batteries, lithium. The system is up, as you can see. Everything is up. This is off because we're not feeding power to the grid. We also have a wireless monitoring system. Here's a dongle. So this is a big system for this house. This is the powering pool heating system. This is a heat pump. Pool guy is doing some maintenance here. So this is a house, this is a living room. This is bedroom number 1. So everything in this house will be solar powered. We came here early in the year to do solar water heating. So all the showers have hot water. So this is a shower for bedroom number 1. We even have an outdoor shower. It's very cool. That's the kitchen. All the appliances powered apart from the cooker and the kettle. Those are element items, you don't power those with solar. I have bedroom number 2. So washroom also with an outdoor shower, very cool.